Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. It is Friday, November 14th. As you can see, I got the sombrero on, I got the cactuses behind me. We are ready, not only to trade, but we're ready to go to Mexico this weekend. Going to Mexico on Sunday. So we're going to have tons of fun. And today, it's going to be no exception. We're just going to keep it rolling today. Hopefully all you guys are having a great day so far. I know your days are just starting, but I'm excited. I'm excited to have some fun today. We're going to be doing some giveaways today as well. So make sure you're locked in. That's for Legacy and YouTube. Make sure you're locked in, staying active, only because that's the only way you'll be able to actually be able to win today. All right, so that's pulled up. We'll take it. I don't know why this doesn't want to work for me. Well, we're trying here. We're trying. Good morning, everyone. All right, let's focus on these charts. We had a massive drop through the overnight session there. A big old drop there. So we're going to have to see what we get today. We're back to the 24,000s. It's crazy to even say that. Back in the 24,000s. We got a pivot point below us down there at 24,551. 24,551. Put that in your charts. Then we also have one at 24,819. 5.50. So put that one on your chart as well, just so that way you know when those pivots are coming, if it's not automatically showing up on your charts for you. We are currently below the VWAP, but we're above the 21 EMA. So we're going to have to see what we get today. We had some news at 8:30 today, but looking at it, it really didn't do anything. I'll say that. Really didn't do anything this morning for that 8:30 news, but that's okay. We got 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes till market open here. We're going to get excited and we're going to make some money today. And for the people on YouTube, you're going to hear other voices on this stream other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a private trading community where we're literally making sure traders pass evals, get funded, and get payout. So if you want to join the community, go to the link in the bio or the description, click the link and join the founders group, 100% free. Alrighty, well, we got less than 7 minutes now. So we're just going to hang out, vibe. I got the Mexican music playing today because I'm going to be hearing it for the next, 6 days. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just get this going. Let me start listening now. Get me ready for it here. And it's going to be a good time. How's everyone feeling today? That's the question. I know G's feeling great today. He already told me. Let's see here. All right, we're good to go. We're good to go. Hopefully the market doesn't act too stupid today and we're able to get some really nice moves. Because if we're able to make it early today, no complaints with that. Last night I did a little hangout on YouTube. I'm gonna start doing them probably like 2 to 3 times a week. Just a place for traders to hang out, vibe up, and interact with each other. Looking at the stuff from last night, it was actually really, really good. We had 2,400 reactions last night on the chat, so that's pretty cool. 163 chat messages. Not bad. Well, I appreciate you guys for vibing up with me last night. All right, we got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes for market open here. And we are going to be prepared because we may get pushed back up because we got the close from yesterday. 25,087. 25,087 for the close from yesterday. So we do have that above us. I need Steve to get in here because he wants to see a sombrero. I put it on. He's not even here yet. Crazy. For the people on YouTube, we trade with Tradeify at the Legacy Wealth Society. If you want to get the best discounts with them, make sure you use code LWS. I know you guys like how I just did that plug. It's okay. Let me actually, let's see what we got here. Still moving on down somewhat. All right, we got 2 more minutes for market open here. 2 more minutes. Let's get ready, gentlemen. Remember, there is no rush. There is no rush. We rush ourselves. If you see a move, take it. If you don't see a move, don't take it. It's literally that simple. I feel like we're going to push up to that 820 level. Just me. That's just what I'm feeling and looking at. Unless we build a bear flag right here. Welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. Hopefully you guys are excited for today. We're doing a giveaway today, so be prepared for that. Make sure you guys are active in the chat. I'm going to tell you how you can enter in and potentially win some free evals today. Waiting for market open here.
I love the music.
Mr. Moose, welcome, sir. Welcome.
That is hilarious.
You love the music. Have you looked at the screen yet?
Yeah, I saw that her sombrero. That is hilarious. I just saw it right now. I just sat down to see it. That is hilarious.
You know, we got to get ready. Market is open, gentlemen. Market is open. So let's see what we get here. Feel like the bulls may try pushing up to that pivot point, 820 for that pivot. You know, we were selling off the entire overnight session. So
where's Steve when you need him, huh?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? He wants to see his sombrero. He's not even here. That's crazy.
I know, right? Right now. Yo, he's missing out right now.
I'm glad you guys are enjoying the hat. You know what I'm saying? I am glad. Look at that big old wick right there on that 5 minute. In the 2 minute. Ooh, big reversal right there. Bulls tried pushing. Bear stepped right in. Looking at that 1 minute, we did have that bear flag right here. I want to see what we get on these higher time frames here. Need to see the big mo. That's what we need. That's what we need. For the people on the YouTube stream, where you guys tuning in from? Good morning to you guys. Bulls trying to step in slightly, but I don't know. We got that low at the 657 for the low. Like, I want to take it short right now, but I'm like, do I risk it?
Risk it for the biscuit.
The community's saying risk it for the biscuit. We just made new lows right there. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get a good entry here. We bounce off the low.
You know what I'm looking for?
Let's wait for the next bounce. Not liking that consolidation. 260 on that trade. Quick 260.
Nice. Love it.
That was trading 2 contracts. It's still going lower, so let me rotate to the next account here. Let's rotate.
Best music, I swear.
I appreciate that. You know, I try providing a great atmosphere for us to trade in. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
We got a pivot point below us. We got that pivot down there at 551. Let's see, we potentially build out a flag right here. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. We got a Mexican vibe today because your boy's going to be in Mexico on Sunday for the next 4 days at his favorite all-inclusive resort, the X-Correct. I am doing a giveaway today as well. Giving away some free evals to some lucky winners out there. So make sure you're liking, subscribing, chatting in the chat, and you'll potentially be able to win a free eval with Tradeify today. RA up 260 for the day. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome, everyone. We have a Mexican vibe today. Your boy's going to be in Mexico on Sunday. So might as well, last day of the week, throw the Mexican vibe on. We are doing a giveaway today as well. So make sure you're liking, subscribing, and you're in the chat being active, because that's how you'll be able to potentially win a free eval today. For the people on YouTube, where you guys tuning in from? You're going to hear people laughing at me that you can actually hear. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, everyone. Look at that aggressive push up right there. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wowzers.
I was on my what you call it? I was just fucking around on the sim.
Okay.
That push up right there just gave me $5 grand right there.
Man, $5 already?
Man, just messing around, man. Just messing around. Damn.
More like you're balling.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir.
Hey, I see something in this picture. Ole!
Viva la Mexico!
Mexico, viva Mexico.
Los caballeros!
Pushing up to that pivot.
428 on that one.
Nice.
Go.
Uh-oh. You still have the 428?
Yeah. I went to close out at 550, but it gave me 428.
He went from Toll Road 428 to Highway 50, yes.
We have the close from yesterday, all the way up there at 25,087. So
Wow.
we have a big gap up there for the close from yesterday. We were
And then
selling off the
typical-
entire night, so we're just trying to see what we get today.
And in typical Steve Bash, I see the long candle that started right before I was signed back in. All right. Ole!
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Well, coming up, we got the upper end of those candles is teasing that whole number, so there's something there.
Yeah, we got that 700. Or the 800 I meant. But we got that pivot point up there at the 820 level. So that's what I'm currently looking at, wanting a target for a quick little long.
Oh, quick little long.
I want, okay, we're through that whole number. The pivot wants to get touched. It always wants to get touched. Let's see. If not, I'll close this out. Almost touched it. It's playing. It's like right there. It's crazy. Did we touch that pivot? I did not see us touch that pivot. Oh, we did touch it. That's my fault. Wow.
It was like a blink of an eye.
Let me rotate. Not going to trade this one again today. But we're going to aggressively touch that pivot. I didn't see us tap it. But right here, it's saying that we tapped it, but I didn't see it. I did not see that pivot touch.
Mi corazón es dulce para ti. Come on, Moose.
I don't know the song.
I don't know the song. We got the VWAP above us as well, just so you guys know. VWAP is up there at 24,86175. 86175. Come on, Betsy. Let's get through that pivot, because once we get through that pivot, we have to go up and touch that VWAP.
Yeah, just building out a flag like you like.
Yep, but I want to see a clean one. I want it clean today. All right, there's the official pivot touch for me. So let's see if we get through it or if we get rejected here.
I think he's gonna go through. It's so close to the VWAP, to the VWAP. Ah, look, he's about to touch the VWAP.
Come on, Bertha. Give me a rocket ship.
Come on, Bessie. Come on, Bessie.
You can do it.
You can do it.
I need to pay for my Mexico trip. How we just lose it? I'm getting ready to close this one. I closed that. That's crazy. I need to stop being greedy today. We'll wait for another entry. That's craziness. I should have closed. I was up at 550, but we didn't touch that VWAP. Let me just woo-saw and relax because it's trying to reject right now. We got 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes for that 15-minute range to be completed.
Dun, 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 dun.
We're below this pivot. We got that strong wick on the bottom right there. I want to get above that pivot.
Like a line of resistance at 36, man. I drew a line across it. It's like keeps popping back to there. Where is that VWAP?
I'll be able to check in 1 second.
Okay, yeah, take your time. I can look. Oh, 5.9, okay.
Come on, Bertha. Close down on that one. 760. Coming up to that VWAP. VWAP is down at the 859. 859.
We're out of we're out of the 15-minute range too, huh? Just
Yep,
about.
we're right there at the 15-minute range as well. Rotate. All right, let's see if we're going to push. Breaking out of the 15-minute range as well. So we're above that VWAP. Let's see if we pull back down into the 15-minute range, or if we're just going to start just pushing up. I want to see a slight pullback, maybe back down to the VWAP here before we push.
Yeah, to get some support, get some basis.
Yep. Look at this can on that 5 minute though. That's still crazy.
Yeah.
We did push down the whole overnight session. So we should expect a retracement, like Moose likes to say.
Or is it gonna draw to that whole number?
Yep, that's up there too. Well, 25,087 was the close from yesterday. So
2587.
25,087. Yes, sir.
Okay.
$340 just added right there.
Cuando estoy solo. I love it when G sings in Spanish.
Let's rotate to the next one.
Why did I do that?
Hey, Duane, my wife is in the room. Do you want to say hi to her?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
He's got his sombrero on. Did you see
I
that?
do have my sombrero on today. We're,
Oh, awesome.
we're gearing up for Mexico on Sunday.
I wanted to tell her it's not a usual thing. So she's like, what the hell are you guys doing in that?
Welcome to the YouTube stream as well for the people over there. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets today. Let's see if we maybe start building out a flag up here.
It's looking like a very nice flag on all counts. 1, 2, and 5.
We got less than 10 more minutes for 10 o'clock here. That's looking like a bull flag on the 1 minute.
We get like slight retracement, we'll get it on the 2 as well.
This bad boy is pushing. It's pushing this morning. All for it. Let's make sure we have a safe entry. 25,087 was the close from yesterday. I feel like
Me. We're gonna get a flag so it can get an A plus set up.
right now this thing's just pushing.
And just like you say, your wisdom.
We're actually heading up to that first target, which is at 24,969. But I would like some type of somewhat of a pullback. This thing has only been pushing. All right, this may be our pullback. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Welcome, welcome.
Like and subscribe.
Waiting for this move to happen so we can jump in. It's been pushing this morning, so we're going to try capitalizing off of that. We did not get a full pullback. I would prefer us to build some structure. Oh, glad I looked at the time. We got 4 more minutes
4
for 10
minutes.
o'clock. So 4 more minutes on that. After 10 o'clock, we're going to do a giveaway. I feel like doing a giveaway.
1 free sombrero.
Nope, it's not. Won't be sombreros. We're going to give away some Tradeify accounts today.
Oh my goodness.
I know. Oh my goodness is right. So for the people on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and you're in the chat talking. Because I'm gonna be selecting lucky winners.
Nobody will hear you. You need to be in the chat typing. I mean, just trying to help them out.
Let's get past this 10 o'clock. Then we will do some Tradeify giveaways. I want to see a nice pullback here. Nothing crazy. I just want some structure for a bull flag. Ready to eat in Mexico. It's gonna be delicious.
So yesterday, like while we were waiting on this, like I took like all the meat because I cook up a mess of it, threw it in a crock pot, so all the ribs and the chicken and stuff, shredded that, and then we cooked it over fire, made some campfire enchiladas.
Nice. That sounds delicious.
So it was like all that smoked meat, and and just like and just in there. Oh man.
This sounds tasty.
Oh, it's ridiculous. Like when I go out to eat, I'm usually disappointed because it's just like I can make it. You know what I mean? I can I can just really work it in.
Yeah, but when you go out to a lot of restaurants these days, there's not much flavor.
Yeah, and the thing is like to get up to the flavor profile that I'm making, you're spending a pretty penny. You know what I mean? So it's just like I'd rather just like do it all.
Yeah. Just got stopped out there. Slightly annoying. It's crazy. I switched over. It's not my funded. It was one of my growth accounts. I'm like, you know what? Let me just throw some more money in it. Nope.
20 seconds until 10 o'clock, gentlemen and ladies, if there's any out there.
If there's any out there.
Why? You don't know what your viewership is on.
That is true.
And
that is true. So we're getting that pullback. Well, somewhat. Let's see, we build this bull flag. There's the pullback. Literally, I was a minute early on that last account, but it's okay because let's see if we build out this bull flag. Looks like we're going to build it. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there. Welcome, welcome. The sombrero, it's only for special occasions. I'm going back to Mexico, second time in less than a month. In a month, actually.
Trading in paradise.
Yep. So next week, I'm gonna try streaming from the resort.
Did you talk to the concierge about it?
I did not, but I'm taking my stuff and we're gonna roll the dice.
Duane Broom.
We're rolling the dice. Because they literally have everything, so I'm pretty sure I should be good.
They must. Because I mean, the luxury resort and it doesn't have Wi-Fi. That'd be or like a plug-in. That'd be insane.
Yeah.
How long are you going for?
I'll be back on Wednesday.
Nice.
So I land Sunday morning in Mexico. Then I'll be back on Wednesday.
Nice.
How early in the morning are you leaving?
I'll be in Mexico at the resort at 9 a.m.
Golly, well, you have to get up at like 4, huh?
You need a lift? You need a lift to the airport?
Yeah.
All right, I got you. Let me know.
Awesome.
You said Sunday, right?
Yes, sir.
What time?
I'll have to get the exact flight details, but I'll text you.
Okay.
We're building this flag.
Well, if this one stays green here on the 2-minute, I'll most likely take along here. We got 1:20 left on the 5-minute candle.
There's news at 10:05, right?
News? I didn't see any news for today.
It's out at 8:30.
It says 10:05 FOMC members Schmidt speaks, but government's closed, so I doubt it. Never mind.
No, it's not closed. The government's open. They reopened.
Oh yeah, because on
Yeah.
Forex Factory, that's what it says. That there's gonna be news at 10:05.
I did not see that.
Yeah, I didn't see it
Uh-oh.
on the economic journal thing.
Let me see. Yeah, it says 10:05, 10:30, 2:30, and 3:20.
Where are you reading that from?
What folders are those?
Forex Factory. It's on Forex Factory.
We gotta build that flag.
Ah, annoying. This got stopped out once again, and I can't trade this account because it locks me out. But it is what it is. Who wants some free evals today? Let's do some giveaways.
Give it away now. What is this madness? We're gonna track down to the VWAP?
Potentially.
And then on the 1 minute EMA, it's like almost there. It's working its way down.
Yeah, we got that
Damn.
VWAP down there at 871. I just don't trust it. I just don't trust it. I feel like on the 5-minute, that's a bull flag wanting to potentially print if the bulls step in hard. Well, everyone on the Zoom, you guys are getting a free eval today. You're welcome.
Oh, damn.
Y'all welcomes. Y'all welcomes. Mario. Welcome, sir. Welcome. All the way from Jamaica. How are you feeling? I know that storm was pretty crazy over there. And there's that bull flag that I was early on. There is a lot of selling pressure, but the way we just broke up like that has me looking. Have you looking.
Ole.
Look at that. Man, oh man.
Well, the 5 minute, that's looking like a bull flag. The 2 minute is kind of looking like a bear flag. The 1 minute is just canceling itself out. So where you want to go?
Honestly, I'm torn. I'm torn right now. Because just looking at this, how we put that big old wig on top, that's showing all the selling pressure.
Oh yeah, big time.
So it has me where I'm like, we may try selling down, but if the bulls step in,
look at that.
It'll complete that bull flag. Welcome to the stream. Welcome.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. The community just said.
All right, my hip hop name is the community.
Is the community. For the person that's on the YouTube stream right now, the sombrero. I'm going to Mexico on Sunday, so figure out have the Mexican vibe today. But where you tuning in from? And I want to give you a gift today. So just put in the chat where you're tuning in from, and I'm gonna give you a gift. You're welcome. All right, looking at the 2 minute. It's super tight right here. We gotta make a move. Because we're literally consolidating right in this area. And I don't like it. I do not like it. Oh, don't click anything. Consolidation on these ring codes some more. We're approaching that line on the 5 minute.
It's hard because it's like you're not having those flags as an entry point. Whoa.
Don't know what just happened there. Just instantly rejected up there.
I was looking to the side, and off the reflection of my glasses, I just saw like a lightsaber of red.
Just got stopped out once again. That's craziness. I've been way too greedy today. Way too greedy.
We're thinking of those empanadas.
No, I'm not thinking of the empanadas, but I thought we were going to get a little bit more, so I didn't close out. What did we touch? So we rejected off of the first target. And that was a hard rejection too.
It touched the EMA on the 1 minute, the 21.
Wow, coming right back down to that VWAP.
Well, the VWAP and then the EMA.
I start dropping from here. If it passes the VWAP, closes below the VWAP, it'll start dropping.
Looking for my account. I'll take a tea. Yeah, sure. Thank you, baby. Let's see. We got the low of that high of that 15-minute range right below us now. Maybe we build out a bear flag on that 2 minute now.
That's exactly what I'm looking at. But now it's like, no, maybe I'll just noodle back up.
Thank you. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
She straightened your sombrero.
She was making sure it was on properly.
Yeah.
All right, baby. Love you too.
Oh, thank you, Duane.
You're welcome, sir.
Appreciate it.
Go ahead, get that
Yeah, man.
eval, sir.
That's love. That's love. Appreciate it.
Yo. Dude, it's going shooting up. That was the retracement 15. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm trying. I'm looking at this. Well, gentlemen, all three of you should have just received a free eval.
Oh, thank you very much.
Congratulations, you guys are winners. I'm him. Good morning.
Oh, right now?
Thank you, Duane.
Oh, you're the man.
Good morning. Good morning.
Duane is the man.
I be trying. I didn't see the chat. I'm him. Morning. My bad, bro.
Oh, they snapping in the chat, huh?
No. So the issue is I gotta get it where I get all the chats in one.
Oh yeah. Well, like, so basically the only difference is the orientation. I mean, would it be smart? But I guess if somebody's watching it on a PC, they're gonna want to have that normal orientation. I wonder, there's got to be a way to consolidate this.
Yeah. I'm him. Are you still in there? If you are, since you've been tuning in, I want to get you a free eval, sir. Since you've been locked in this week. So if you're still in the chat, let me know. Yeah, I'm going to tell you how you can get this free eval for Tradeify.
I'm debating if I should do it or that. What do you think, Duane?
To be honest, let's see here.
What?
I've been passing out evals. I need to get re-locked in here. Give me 1 second, gentlemen.
We got a little bit of a sell-off right here, heading towards that.
I'm him. Are you part of the community yet or no? Awesome. Well, I have your chat pulled up so I can talk to you directly now. If you want to join the community, it's completely free. Join the founders group. When you get in there, you click the live trading, click that link, and it'll put you on with us live. And we can do that as well if you do want to join. I'll be able to send you the eval, everything like that through the. We'll get the information through the channels of the community itself. Yeah, it's on the profile, and when you click the link, join the founders group.
So what? I may tell Jordan to join the group.
He doesn't want to be with us. He likes doing his own thing.
His own thing. You're doing your own thing.
I am planning on trading slightly in Mexico. Probably not for the full sessions like we do. when I'm here, but we're going to be trading probably for like 30 minutes to an hour when in Mexico. That's why we got the sombrero, everything like that on. You know what I'm saying? I'm from Florida, man. I'm from Florida. Did the legacy? Did you guys get your evals yet? That I said.
I know. I'm about to. I'm just like waiting to see if this flag is gonna print.
Yeah, it's looking. I'm torn. Like I've gotten stopped out on like 4 of my accounts today, which I'm not happy about.
Today it moved good at the beginning, and then all of a sudden it's just like, sheesh, make random moves, right?
It didn't have the follow through, so I took a couple moves, and it did not have the follow through. Marcus, good morning, sir. That's awesome, man. Up 48.50. That's awesome. Congrats. That's awesome. But I'm him. Based out of Orlando, Florida. Can't complain.
Old town, the city beautiful.
Marcus, I know you're in the community as well already. I got a free eval for you with Tradeify, just so you know. Your last name in the community that starts with the S, right? Marcus, awesome. I'm gonna send you a message in the community here in a couple minutes, because I just gotta get a little information so I can get the eval to you.
Come on, here we go. Here we go.
Yep, that bear flag's trying to play. Let's see if we get more follow through. I'm not trying to jump in.
Because it's kind of, this feels like it's choppy.
Yep. Let's see if we start a waterfall. Like, I'm slightly hesitant of entering a trade because I've gotten stopped out so many times a day. Because of literally just this, like, is pushing back up.
It's wild.
I'm him. Well, I appreciate that. What's your name? I'm him, so I can say your name instead of I'm him. Just saying. But Detroit, that's crazy. I got family in Detroit. They were just with me in Mexico, actually, in October. It was a blast. And we're going back to Mexico on Sunday, so that's why we got the sombrero. We got the cactuses in the background. You know what I'm saying? Just got to do it up a little bit. I'm him. That's you with starting with the A for the community, sir? For Marcus, do you have Zelle or Apple Pay, anything like that, sir? I'll send you the funds so you can get that eval with Tradeify. Which one? Zelle or Apple Pay? Andre, I'm getting you added to the community right now, sir, as well. All right, so you're in, Zelle? Okay. If you want, send me your number, Marcus, in the community. Don't put it on the chat, please. Don't want people to hit your line. Oh. That would be bad. Not trying to do you like that.
That one time I was asking for your number, you almost gave it when we first were doing the group. And like, oh,
yeah,
we are online.
Awesome. Well, Andre, you've been added to the community as well. Welcome. Let's see if we build out another bear flag here. I need a clean flag. For me to enter a trade at this point with how poorly I've been trading today, I need a clean flag. Well, Marcus, next time you can send me a direct message. I'll delete that as soon as I send you the Zelle. Don't want your stuff just for everyone to see in there. So for the advanced account with Tradeify, make sure you use code LWS. Yeah, I'm sending you the funds right now, sir. And when you get it, make sure you put in the chat, like, got it, something like that, so people know I'm not just finessing out here. I truly do send the funds to get these evos.
You're right. This is a scam, man.
Let's see. 562. Let me not say the number out loud. Awesome. Sir, those funds have been sent. You should get it any second here. I know you're all the way in Cali, so it may take you a couple extra seconds for you to get that one. And let me delete your number from in there. So that way,
up on my screen, but I didn't add it to the Montgomery Ward mailing list.
Look at that push up. I'm glad I'm doing other things, because I would just gotten stopped out again, not gonna lie. Because I was looking for a bear flag, and I don't know. I see the flag right now, but I didn't see it when it was printing. And hindsight does nothing for us. Copy. All right, well, those free evals have been sent out.
Thank you.
No,
Thank
of
you
course,
very
of
much.
course. Andre, I need your information too. I want to get you one as well. Today's the season of giving. It's I'm gonna be in Mexico on Sunday. So if you send me your information in the community, sir, you can direct message me. I'll actually send you the first message, so you got me.
So I have to go in a second, but I'm just going to see if we get a setup here. Are we going to get a setup, Duane? Look at this. Look at that tight doji.
It's going to be another bull flag.
But is it going to pay to play? You see what I say?
Alrighty. Andre, just sent you a message there, sir. Welcome to the group. Welcome. Yep. Got that nice bull flag right there. Andre, I just sent you a message in the community for a private message. If you have Zelle, just send me your number and we'll get you those funds so you can get the eval from Tradeify using the code LWS. All right, let's see if we get this flag. I'm gonna take another stab at it here. You know, and the best part is, since I'm trying to give back, right? trying to help people get these eval. I know I'm gonna hit a home run. You know what I'm saying?
That's it. Thank you for always having integrity and stuff. Seriously. All right.
There's the pullback of the flag.
New candle coming up. A 2 minute.
So I'll send you, Andre. I'll send you the link for Tradeify, but there's no link for the eval. So you'll just have to get the advanced account, and you use the code LWS, and that'll get you the correct one with them. Or actually, I may actually, here, I'm gonna do some, I'm gonna send you, I wonder what, let me see, that may actually, interesting. Here, I'm gonna message you a code, and this may actually get you the free one. Okay, you got Cash App? Okay. Try that number in the checkout. Let me know what that does for you. That may give you the completely free. If not, I'll send you the money. Go on a trading tour? We'll see. We'll see. All right. Back to the basics here. Let's see what we get. Oh, look. Nothing's happened. Nothing's happened since I've been looking at everything else. For everyone on the YouTube stream, welcome. Glad you're tuning in. I'm debating now. So right now, I see the flag. I see the bull flag, but we got those wicks up top, and we've had those selling wicks for the past 4 candles. So slightly hesitant to go long.
Yeah, definitely. There's definitely some resistance up here for sure.
Yeah, it's too much bounce.
Appreciate that, Marcus. Right now, just honestly consolidating a little bit. We need a move. I need a rocket ship or a waterfall. I'm trying to pay for Mexico right now. I gotta finish paying for the trip. You know what I'm saying? I told my girl we're leaving on Sunday, but I still haven't paid for it. That's the joke. I've been paid for it, but anyways.
Torta Vallarta.
Because if I keep getting stopped out, we may have to jump the border.
Yeah, you might just be staying at the OBT Motel 6 at this point.
Awesome. Glad you got it, Marcus. Make sure you use the code LWS on Tradeify's website, and that will get you the advanced account. The advanced account, that's the 50K advanced account.
Finally clearing those wicks.
Yeah, we just cleared those wicks. Getting ready to make a new high there. The 36 is the hot current high.
Okay, I got 5 more minutes. How long are you staying on today?
I may stay on until 11, just vibing up.
Yeah, it's kind of like I have like I got like a lot of work around here. Got to turn some things around and stuff like that. So, but it's gonna be a nice day outside.
Gotta love those days. Why does it do that? Want to see this push? Appreciate everyone tuning in with us today. Like,
No, it's I wouldn't miss it for anything.
I know you'll never miss it, Steve. But right now we got people on the vertical, we got people on the horizontal, we got people on the Zoom, we got people everywhere.
I did see there's an upside down screen too, so it's kind of weird. But
there's no upside down screen yet. I say yet because you never know. You never know these days.
For people that are standing on their head.
All right, so we're still pushing. We got that close from yesterday, 25,087. Let me lock in here. Let's try getting a quick little couple dollars. Pay for my lunch today. Actually, I already paid for it with my Take Profit account, actually. So put it in over there.
Tacos.
No tacos yet. That's on Sunday. We already have all of our reservations set up for all the restaurants at the resort.
Oh, man.
Because you can make your reservations like right when you book. 30 days. You have 30 days out to start booking your reservations. So we already have all that stuff done. So we don't have to think about where we're eating when we go each night.
I don't know what you want to eat. I don't know. What do you want to eat?
Yep, no, we don't have to do that, thankfully. For the people on the streams, if you haven't already liked this stream, subscribe, please do so. It helps me on YouTube. Try to blow this up. All right, it's still pushing here. We got that second target right there as well. My bank is calling. This is one of the bankers. 1 second. Hello? I'm good. How about yourself? Oh, thank you. I'm actually going to be in Mexico on Sunday. We are going back to the Xcaret. I was out there in October. No, it was Cancun. Playa de Carmen, something like that. I forget. We're going back out there. So.
Your Spanish is harsh.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. You as well. Bye. That's when you know you do a lot of work at the bank and you're putting a lot of money through them. When your bankers call to wish you a happy birthday. 3 of them in the office. That's crazy. That's awesome.
If I haven't been on Facebook proper, you tell me that it's your birthday today?
It is not my birthday. No, sir. But my birthday is on Sunday.
All right.
So, you know, like we want to go back. We wanted to go back to the Xcaret because we already have our trip booked. We already have our trip booked for February, but we're like, we gotta go back sooner. So we booked another trip already for this weekend. Andre, it's for the advanced account. And once I get off the stream, if you're still having issues, I can walk you through it.
Well, happy early cake day.
I appreciate that, Steve. Thank you.
Hey, Moose.
What's up?
Is it okay if Duane texts me your number?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I just want to have it in my phone just for, to build the network.
Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. You can take it. Wayne, text him my number, please.
Yeah, I got you. Or you can just send it to him in the community. In a private message.
Well, there you go. He's like
trying to get you guys working with each other that way. You know what I'm saying? Like,
let me see if I can figure it out. Let me see if I can figure that out. Hold on.
All right, we had that bull flag. There's that second target. Let's see if we get enough momentum here for me to take a log here.
You want to get above that 95 and that whole number? When are you thinking?
Well, I'm just looking right now. I want to get above that target. And that target was at 83. Well, there's 83 right there.
That's what I was wondering. We have 95 up there, and then we got the full number, 26.
Andre, make sure you use the code LWS in that coupon code. Let me know. That should give you a free eval by using that code. Come on, Betsy. Give me $1.
Come on, baby.
I'm done. That's crazy. I gotta stop trading. I'm not focused. And then watch it move.
You guys stopped out?
Stopped out and then it does the move I was going for. That is so crazy. It's the sombrero. I'm blaming everything but myself. It was the sombrero.
The sombrero did it.
Gotta love it.
It has too much retracement. Too much bounce on each handle.
Well, we pushed through that close from yesterday. If we get away from it here, let me size down, because I sized up on the last one because I saw that little push through the just aggravating. Not a clean week for me.
It happens to everybody.
100%.
But having the tools and then the discipline, the law averages.
Took a quick one right there. Added a couple more dollars to this account. Because we're going to keep it running here. Let's see where we're going. We got the third target up at 198. Overnight high is 159. So Closed out. Added some more on that one. But it's so annoying. I got stopped down one of my other accounts, which this was the move I was trying to get. Like, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Well, $1,200 in this account. So I'm up in 2 of my accounts total, just under $1,600. Then I'm red in 3 other accounts, which is aggravating. But it is what it is. It happens. But this was the move I was trying to go for. I'm not going to chase it either. Welcome to the YouTube stream. For everyone over there tuning in. Appreciate you coming to vibe up with us. I'm going Mexico. That's why we got the Mexican vibe today. Andre, were you able to get it figured out, or you still need help?
All right, we're going in some new territory here.
Yeah, man. I'm just sitting on the sidelines. I'm like, I don't want to chase it. I want to jump in so bad. But if I chase it, bad things could happen.
Well, if it goes up to that whole number, that magnet, you might want to get back in.
What I'll do. Let me do this. Because I'm not willing to risk any of my current accounts.
Downsize to 1 contract.
No, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to. Let's see if I could pass. I'm just going to grab another eval real quick. So I'm not trading my fundeds.
Okay, yeah, give me 5 minutes. Looks like it's building a bull flag.
There's that.
If it'll keep it up.
Let me rotate. And let's see if we could get this bad boy pass in like the next 15 minutes.
Wait, you're gonna try to pass an eval right now?
Yeah. Oh, that's why. I'm like, why can't I see it? I got to disconnect real quick.
That's why I want to learn how to use the wrinkles.
Scrolling. 47. Where's 47 at? All right. Let's see if we could get this one passed before we get off the stream today. Looking like a bull flag up here. All right, I see a potential bull flag on the 2-minute here.
Yes.
Potential. Let's see if we get some structure for it.
Boy, it's like the wrinkles are reacting. Dun dun.
All right, first trade 465.
How many contracts?
That was 3 contracts.
Nice. When you draw down, typically, right? Like 3 contracts, you draw down like a lot, right?
Yes, when you're in drawdown with 3 contracts, 4 contracts. That could have been mine is 465 right there, just as quick.
You know, that's the only thing that stops me from doing more contracts. I'm like, the drawdown is crazy.
Yeah. Well, I'll get some structure for this flag. Welcome for the people tuning in on the YouTube streams.
Just watching my dude will hold everything together.
I just sent you the link, Andre, just so you know. I don't think that code's gonna work, so I'm just gonna Cash App you the money to get that 50K eval with Tradeify. So you'll want to get the advanced account. Let's see if I want to see a flag on that, probably like the 5-minute, but we're building out that structure for the flag.
Wow. I was thinking I could rebuild those like in the. My wife is dancing to the music. Thank you, Jesus.
Andre, your stuff was TB8 Solutions on the Cash App. If we push, want to get through that line, gotta get through that line.
I'm hanging out to see that resolution on the flag. Come on.
Just sent, sir. It came from one of my other businesses as well. So you should have that now, sir. Let's get through that line. We gotta get through that yellow line. Yes and no, Marcus, just in your chat there. So with Tradeify, you can only lose $2,000. So it's not the 2,500 like Apex. Profit targets just like Apex $3,000. But once you get into your funded account, you can take payouts every 5 days of trading. So you can literally get a payout every single week with Tradeify. Michael Vaughn wants access. Michael Vaughn, are you currently in one of these chats? If you are, say I'm here, and I'll get you added. Very lemony. This tea my girl made me.
I just think one of these days you got to go to Japan, so we got some like Japanese like ding dong dong.
Andre, well, welcome, Sono. Welcome, Sono. We're just chilling. We're vibing today. Going to Mexico on Sunday. Andre, appreciate you tuning in. Glad you joined the community, and I'm glad you got that free eval. Man, I think my music, we've been playing it. That was a 2-hour track. That's craziness. Let me back it on out.
Back it on well.
I don't trust that. Sono, glad you joined us today. We trade with Tradeify. We're trading NQ today. We trade that every day, Monday through Friday. Marcus, for the drawdowns with them, when you're in your funded account with Tradeify, say there's no breaching, like they won't deny your payout if you breach 30% drawdown. But they all have that drawdown rule. You can't drop below, like Apex 2,500, Tradeify is $2,000, so you don't get that extra $500. But they're so easy to get payouts with, fastest payouts out there as well. That's why we use them. We want our money fast. You don't want to have to wait for it after you already did the work.
Are we gonna get some upward momentum? Or are we gonna?
I want to push through that yellow line that I've had on the chart. I've just been waiting so I could go long here.
All right, 1 minute till 11. Keep that in mind too.
So once you pass your eval, Andre, with Tradeify, and you're in your funded account, it's only 5 days for your payout cycle. And they have the 35% consistency. So you get a little bit extra wiggle room there as well. That yellow line is holding the market up. I'm thinking about moving it just to help you guys out, not myself.
10 seconds till 11.
Thank you for that call out, Steve. There's 11 o'clock right there. I need to see the clean momentum here to the upside take this long.
I know as soon as I sign out, that's when it will happen.
Got rejected there very quickly. Let's see what we get. Let's see if the Bulls push it. If not, I'll close this out.
Dun, dun.
Yep, today's just not my day, gentlemen. It's crazy too. Today is not my day. I've taken too many bad trades where now that I just got stopped out, just wait for it because the market's going to rip. So I'm just going to sit back, drink my tea, and watch the market just go sky high here in a second. I'm only mad at myself.
Someone just tried to use my millions on my credit card.
That's not good. Look at all this structure right here. I know it's going to take off, and I'm sitting out now. I got stopped out once again. I got stopped out way too many times today where I'm just not going to trade anymore. It's all about living to fight another day.
That's it.
You know, that's literally all this is. If you want to trade successfully, you got to understand you're going to have days when it's not your day. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to have days when you're hitting out the park each and every trade. But that's why I trade multiple accounts. So that way, yes, I got stopped out on a couple of accounts, but I'm also green in a couple. So that's how I limit my risk in the markets, just by rotating my accounts. Where's my line?
Hey, how's the weather outside, baby?
Appreciate all you guys tuning in with me. Like, this was
yeah,
fun today. Well, not fun for all my trades, but fun just
It's
vibing
always,
up
you
with
know
you
what?
guys.
This is like a amazing part of my day. You know, I like when you know, just the camaraderie and just the common goal for bettering ourselves. Awesome.
That's what this is about.
So
man.
you know, like I've said all along, just thank you 1,000 times, you know, for what you've done and the fact you've opened this up. So it's been an amazing opportunity for me to learn.
Well, I'm glad you're learning. Want to see all you guys get payouts with these prop firms.
That's the most serious I'm gonna get for like the next 3 months.
Probably not. It'll be like till Monday, but okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we pulling back down to the close from yesterday. Can't talk today. What's my opinion on getting education on trading? Well, I think everyone should learn, but you have to learn what works best for you. Like I've said to the community every single stream almost, trading is extremely personal. So with it being personal, not everything's going to work for you. Not every strategy, not every platform you're trading on. You know what I'm saying? It's very personal on what works best for you. So I always recommend people find what they're good at when it comes to trading, find a strategy that they can duplicate and be consistent at. That's all this is about. Trading, I don't care what strategy you trade, you have to be consistent at to make money. Point blank, period. So I feel like everyone should learn, but they gotta learn from someone that they can trust. Because if you're looking online, there is so much information out there that won't get you to the results. You know what I'm saying? Like so many, I'll say fake gurus, so many people out there that are pumping and pushing product services, but it's not truly teaching people how to do this for themselves. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not calling out the flags as a signal service. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm literally saying what I'm seeing because that's the strategy that I use. You know what I'm saying? So I feel everyone should learn, but they have to be cautious of who they learn from because not everything works for everybody at the end of the day.
Exactly. And then, you get into the upcharges too. Like, if you want to get to my, I'll teach you basic stuff, but you got to do this and do that.
Right now, these streams on YouTube completely free. The people in the Legacy Wealth Society right now for completely free. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get payouts every single month from multiple prop firms. And that's just using the strategy that I use. There may be a better strategy out there, but for me personally, I'm not changing how I'm doing it because it's consistently been working for me. And people in the community, they've gotten funded accounts being brand new to trading, which is in the prop firm space, just getting a funded account. It's like 90% of people will never get a funded account. So clearly the strategy we're using does work, and you just gotta stay consistent with it. That's it. Probably got a couple more minutes on here. Any other questions?
No, just again, like, thank you for like taking us on this journey.
There's no place I'd rather be than with you guys right here. Because my whole goal...
Sometimes that's not quite true. You're like, Steve, again? Stop it.
No, it's never like that, Steve. It's never like that, sir. I'm excited. As soon as I touch down in Mexico on Sunday, I'm going to set up how I stream just to make sure everything's good. And I'll post in the community and on YouTube if we're on for the stream on Monday morning, which we should be. It won't be as long because I want to get to the parks, everything like that. So I want to enjoy the resort.
Come on, is this gonna just like waterfall or what?
Well, this should. I see this one big old bull flag right there. That's what I'm looking at. Let's look at some higher time frames just to see what the market's doing. Yeah, so right here on the 15-minute, we're in this pullback, but we got the big old pull. We gotta have the pullback before we go up. We starting to get that big wick on that 5-minute candle right there.
Being supported by the EMA on the 2-minute.
Yeah, that it is. It's going to be a rocket ship. I can feel it. I can feel when like the rocket boosters are warming up. You know what I'm saying? I feel a rocket ship coming on this bull flag. Because right here as well, we got, look at that wick on the 15 starting to push that price back up. They want to go higher.
Well, right down and ladies, if they have to be out there. But,
yeah, Brenda, loving the sombrero, appreciate that.
But thank you for everything, baby. And I appreciate. I got some stuff to do.
Yep, go handle that stuff, sir. We'll catch you on the flip side, sucker, as you would say.
Jive turkey.
Have a good weekend, Steve.
And you too.
And right now, as we're looking at this, that flag, that bull flag on the 2-minute, I'm just waiting for that strong push up. Because that strong push is coming. Any questions, anything like that? Since I'm done actually trading, any questions? Questions, concerns? Like, what you guys feeling? Love to answer your questions. Could be about prop firms, doesn't matter. I'm here to support you guys. I want to see you guys win. Yep, she's gonna push. It wants to do the rocket ship. Welcome to the stream, everyone on YouTube, on all formats over there. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We gave away some. Oh, how many accounts are you getting payouts from each month? Right now, I'm averaging on my payouts 3 accounts per month that I'm getting payouts on. I'm trying to get that up to a full 5 a month. That's my current goal, is 5 accounts per month that I'm taking payouts on. And the one trick of the trade, I'm gonna give you guys a gem right now. Trick of the trade when trading with prop firms is just simply base hits. So many people swing for the fence, blow up their accounts, can't pass the eval, or their fundeds because they're swinging for the fence. When you guys just simply lock in the profits, don't let that greed hit you, just lock it in. That's when you get multiple payouts per month. Well, Marcus, you'll definitely get that payout. Just lock in your profits each and every day, man. Doesn't matter how small those profits are. You got to think about this. Trading, for most people, when you first think about trading and people think about trading, they're thinking short term. They think it's the get rich quick scheme. You know what I'm saying? Where you can get rich off of this 100%, but it takes time. And that's the one thing a lot of people don't talk about. And there goes the market starting to push up there some more. Like that bull flag's going to pay. The whole thing is with trading, you have to have longevity. So if you're able to lock in, like, I don't know what platform some of you guys trade on for prop firms, but do this, right? Say you simply lock in $200 a day, just $200. You're not shooting for 1,000. You're not shooting for 500, just $200 a day. You do that for 20 trading days, the $200. That will give you $4,000 in your account, in your funded account. $4,000. Off that $4,000, say you're trading with Tradify. You can request on a 50K account, $1,500. And you can request every 5 days. But take 1 month. Are you willing to invest 1 month of your time to build an account to $4,000? And then after you hit that $4,000, you take $1,500 out, and each and every day you keep adding $200. Because by the end of the second month, you will put in $8,000, but now you're consistently taking another payout. So the first month you take 1 payout. The second month you'll take 2 payouts, and you scale it that way. That's how you do this long term, people. This isn't a get rich quick. This is going to take some time, but you can make the money so quick with this, where those $200 days, you may end up with a $600,000 day. So you're not limited to the 200, but let 200 be your goal. And do that each and every day. Base hits, people. Base freaking hits. That's how we win in this game of trading with prop firms. That was my little rant.
I agree with you 1,000,000%. Home runs, typically, it's what they come once in a lifetime. Base hits,
yeah.
More often.
Marcus, enjoy your food, man. Enjoy your food. Mexico will be fun. I should be hopefully streaming a little bit while out there. Yeah, Andre, I see your chat as well. You're correct, man. It definitely takes time, but this is the fastest thing to create generational wealth. Fastest thing. I'm going to give it another 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to be jumping off here. Like, Marcus going to go eat some food. I got to go eat, too. Like, he's making me hungry. Luckily, I made enough today so I could go get some food. What a time to be alive. I got one of my favorite spots. It's called Tokyo. It's pretty much Kobe's without Kobe prices.
Where's that?
It's over by me actually.
Well, I will be there then. It's
where you don't have to. There's no tables for you to sit from the cook in front of you, but it's just as good as Kobe's.
But is it by the Lowe's or where by you?
Excuse me. It's in the Rio Pinar Plaza. It's in a plaza with the Publix, and it's my go-to. My go-to.
This is called, what is it?
Tokyo. Right next to Don Julio.
Oh. Tokyo. Pacheco's.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
Make sure you guys are on the YouTube streams, are liking and subscribing. People on the streams today have gotten some free evals. So if you didn't get one, make sure you tune in next week to potentially win one yourself. Just saying. Well, any other questions? I want to answer y'all's questions before I get off here, because I want to make sure you guys are good. My whole goal for these streams, the community, is simply to help new traders and seasoned traders actually make consistent money. That's my entire goal. Not the Zillow recommending me a $1.5 million house right now, but the square footage is less than my current house. That's crazy. Absolutely not. And like I said earlier, this bull flag, we broke through all the yellow lines there. Let me see how much this would have been if I was trading it. Just that little gap right there would have been $1,200 right there. And it's still going. That's the craziest part. I feel like someone talked about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, whoever talked about it must have known that flags always repeat themselves. Andre, if you're still in here, make sure you check out the strategy video in the vault, because that strategy video will give you my go-to play and strategy that I use each and every day. So nice. How did you do on that gold play? And it's still pushing. And for me personally, if I was scaling in and out of contracts, I probably would close out some, because we're getting ready to build another bull flag up there. So just wait for that. I feel that Fridays is crazy. Fridays is normally my worst day of trading. So Fridays is normally my worst day of trading, where I don't really knock out the park. But my best trading days are Monday through Thursday. So I feel that 250, still not bad. That's profit. That's profit.
I concur.
Moose, I'm glad you concur. You know, like if you didn't just concur right there, sir, I don't know what I would have done. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, great minds think alike. Hey, tomorrow 9:30.
Yes, sir. 9:30.
Oh, where's everybody at?
G's still in here. I'm talking to the people in the chat because Andre, he just joined the community. Marcus is in the community. Marcus is over in Cali. We got Andre in Detroit. We got Batone over in Texas. We got yesterday someone from Albania or somewhere. Like, we're international on these streams and community. I love it. And I'm just going to purposely hurt my feelings right here. I do this to myself. I will say that. Let me see. I don't know why I'm going to do this to myself. I'm about to piss myself off. All right, that would have been 16:30 right there. I always check to see how much I would have made. Would have, could have, should have. But I'm done trading, so I'm just chilling. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. That's not bad with that size lot. With the NQ, I trade between 1 to 4 contracts at a time. Just depends on how the market's moving. And it's still pushing. It's like someone said, it's a big old bull flag. And when you see a bull flag, we know what, gentlemen? The market's going to go up. And as it continues to rise, I'm just going to sit here and cry. But hey, it is what it is. I locked in $1,200 on my take profit account, so not complaining. Well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Okay, I'm not getting off yet. I felt like getting off. I'm officially getting off at 11:30. I'm going to give you guys extra time to ask questions and just chat with me here. But yeah, what a day. What a day in the market. We win some, we lose some. It happens. It happens. Moose, are you still in here?
Yep, still here.
So question for you. You're just asking in front of multiple people. Like, remember when you said like my haircuts for the rest of the year were free after my birthday? I think you said that, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I did. You know, but when does the year start again?
Just joking.
Hey, what was it say? You told somebody that the strategies on the
yeah, it's in the community. So in the vault, in the community, gentlemen, for everyone that's in the community, if you go to the vault, the very first video says strategy video. And that's the video that breaks down my entire strategy that I use each and every day in the markets. And what's cool is it does not matter what you're trading. You can be trading Bitcoin, gold, does not matter what you're trading. My strategy works on any pair, any currency, any future. It simply works. And eventually, probably end of the year or next year, if people want my strategy video that aren't part of the community, they paying for it. Because everyone's trying to make money trading, but you gotta know how to do it the right way. Too many ways out there that don't actually get you paid. Four more minutes. I'm getting off here. I'll go chillax. Great stream today. Yo, we gonna be in Mexico. And it's still pumping. This is what gives me, like, when I got stopped out, and just so you guys know, the accounts that I trade, once I get stopped out for the day, because I have a daily trading max stop loss, once I hit it, I can't trade that account anymore. So the fact that I got stopped out, let me switch over. I got stopped out like right down here. Or where did I get stopped? I got stopped out. I saw the bull flag. I jumped in like 2 candles early. Got stopped out, and then the move happened. And guys, if that happens to you, twofold, and look at this market just ripping. Just straight ripping on those Rincos. Right up to that pivot point. This is one of those moments where property could get damaged. You know what I'm saying? When you miss out like that. But just straight craziness. Because right there, that move. Let me just continue to upset myself. I would take it right at the yellow line. It didn't show it. Oh, did I did the wrong thing. Oops. I did a line, not the ruler. Let's see how much money I just lost out on. Oh, only $3,000. Jesus. That's craziness. Whatever. There'll be a move on Monday for us. So that's how I'm telling myself to make myself feel better. Listen, what hurts even more, right?
Nice.
What was that?
Monday should be nice.
Yep. So when a move like this happens, right, after I call it out and I don't take it because I got stopped out, it pisses me off in the moment. But once I get off stream and reflect on myself, can't reflect on y'all's trading, just my own. And I know that the move happened. It gives me more confidence when I come back the next time to just execute the trade when I see it. Because when I see it, and this is proving to me that I was right, that's how you build your confidence with trading. You don't have to take every trade, but if you see something and be like, okay, that's a trade, and then it goes the way you saw it going, that should give you more confidence the next time you trade to take the trade you see. Because this is all about having confidence. That's it.
I got stopped out twice today too.
Oh, I got stopped out like 4 times.
Terrible.
And just straight aggravating. Looking like it's trying to build another bull flag underneath this pivot point. So keep that. It's 11:30, gentlemen. It's been a pleasure. It's been a blast. I will see you guys from Mexico on Monday. So with that being said, everyone, have a great weekend. Stay safe. Stay safe in the markets if you're still going to keep trading. And I will see you guys Monday morning, 9:20 a.m. from Mexico. So enjoy, guys. Have a good day.
See you later. Have fun.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. That works, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Later.
All right, guys. Have a good one. Andre, you as well, man. Enjoy your time. Stay safe. And I'll hit you in the community so we can chat. Have a good one.